you see that? Oh my god. In the name of BTS. Oh god. Oh god. Hey, it's Faye. So I'm willing to be vulnerable with you and dissect my neck. So I don't know if it's just me, but I have this thing with my neck where I break out a lot at the back of it, especially with like big bumps. I probably should go to the doctors, honestly, to get that like fixed. Maybe the derm. Can you tell my hair's darker? I didn't plan it, but I love it. I'm actually very shy to talk about the bumps on my neck because I'm kind of embarrassed by it. It's like not cute. My sister, sometimes she has to pop them for me. It's disgusting. So what do I do about it? I make a fucking internet video about it. Listen, Linda, there has to be a couple of you that feel my pain. So this video's for you girlies. I've had these almost 3 weeks now. They're underneath the skin bumps, so I don't really know how to cure it. Maybe there's a name for it. Maybe if you know more, you should let me know because I'm a puss. Watch it be like a serious thing. It's pretty gross and it hurts when I press on it. I have huge pores around my hairline. Why am I doing this? Don't think of me less. So today we're gonna use Sherry. I don't know why I just named you Sherry. Normally I use Almato, my microscope, we know him. He's a legend. This is the viral TikTok blackhead device with the microphone. Hello! With a microscope camera embedded in. Plug her in. This is gonna ruin my rep. But what rep? I've been doing this for years, okay? I'm not even shy anymore about it. I should embrace it. Embrace human nature. Ooh. Oh god. Oh my. Oh no. You. Ow, that's my pimple and it hurts. Are you fucking kidding me? It's okay.
I folded. This
is normal. This is normal. You try it. Me trying to deflect the situation. I am not ashamed. This is not gross. That's pus. This isn't blackhead 101. This is popping my pimples pus. We're gonna change out the head and I think it's best if we use something bigger. It comes with 5 different tips for the head. Pick one that suits you. They all come in different shapes and sizes. Cylinders, circles, ovals, all loved and treated the same. Okay, thank you very much. I just feel like I'm bleeding now. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, did you see that? I fucking saw it, fuck. Now I wonder how a guy's neck is.
Holy Spirit.
I wanna get you. Ow. Okay. You see that blackhead over there? Are you fucking ready? You're a blackhead. Ow. We got that. You weren't invited, but we got you. Oh, you gotta have some gold up in there, please. I'm gonna switch the head to something more narrow. Okay.
We go one more time.
Come on, I want you. I want you. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, oh my god. Come out, come out. Okay, coming. You can do. It's a silkworm. It's a silkworm. I don't even know how to get you out. Please. We don't have it. Oh, I felt it. Oh, I got it. I can't tell if it looks like a toe or a smushed up caterpillar. Let's make our way into the hairline, I guess. Oh my. Oh my. Oh god. In the name of BTS, please. Please, please. I feel sick. I feel sick. I feel sick. I just rubbed that all over my neck. We're human. I don't mean to exacerbate the situation.
We go one more time.
Let's continue, shall we? Are you a hair follicle or are you a blackhead? Excuse me? Johnny? Oh, wait, that's my mole. You are a mole. Just a little bit. Oh my god. Oh my god. We found one. We found one. We found one. Oh my.
Oh my.
Oh dear. Oh dear. There we go. I don't fucking know! What? It's a fucking field out here, girl.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's so going! this? A gold mine out here?
You're done. You're done.
Imagine like the guys I'm talking to right now where I don't tell them what I do for my job and I say marketing. Imagine them finding these videos and they're like, oh, that's what you do? I'm a dermatologist. This goes to the grave with us. Okay, Linda? It's like taking a dump, you know? Oh, hey, yeah, you know, it's like diarrhea. I think, yes, my neck, diarrhea. I think that was, okay. Oh my God, what's happening? What's happening? What's that? Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God.
I think a worm's living in my neck. A worm is pregnant in my neck. I think I'm a parasite for worms, baby. I'm a father. I'm carrying the child. I'm carrying the fucking child of the worm. Lord help me. I think I'm pregnant.
Shut the front. Shut. That's been in my fucking neck! I think I have to take the rest of the week off. I think I gotta go into exile. I should go to the derm. I have fucking goosebumps. Something's wrong with me. It's not like I'm a dirty person. I need to go to rehab. I can't feel my arms. My anxiety is increasingly occurring. This experience has been traumatic. I do not want to touch my neck. The back of my neck. This is how it's looking. Does it hurt? Yeah, it's pretty sore to the touch right now. My kink in a guy is their neck. Like, I love the fucking neck. Thank fucking God I only stay in this area, this region of the neck. The anatomy of the front side of the neck only. Imagine if I was kinky for the back of the neck. I have been punished. You're done. You're done. I no longer want my neck. You can now refer me to no neck fae. Just kidding. Listen, Linda, on the real, go to the derm. Bitch, go to the derm. Clean yourself. I don't know, shower. This is very normal, I'm sure. Please tell me this is normal. If you suffer with enlarged pores, which I do, not just at the back of my neck or my face, but even in the squishy area, just care for yourself. Now that I know that this exists at the back, I mean, I have always known, I just didn't know that a vacuum can do that much. Don't be embarrassed by this, although I am, and I feel like a lot of you guys are gonna judge me and be like, you're fucking disgusting. Whatever. I am here to show people who have large bumps like me on the back of their neck. Things like this exist. Things like this happen. I could probably stick this tool up my armpit and find something. I could stick it probably down. Please, the least you could do is like this video. You better have sucked up that anxiety, that fucking voice in my head at night. Anyway, if you want to try the device, I'm gonna link it down below and buy it. Let me know if you want to see a part 2. Until next time, clean your fucking neck. Follow me on heyitsfei. We're starting a podcast soon. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't